Cloud has been something CIOs have been looking to embrace and figure out, how do I manage it? Of course, there's been bring your own device, bring your own cloud into an organization. Everybody has a smartphone, everyone has a tablet. How can you really enable these types of usage models inside a business, an agency, etc.? And so what smart CIOs are doing is they're looking at enabling technologies. So how do we allow organizations to use certain types of cloud services without necessarily putting their most sensitive information at risk? We're seeing encryption as well as tokenization becoming more and more relevant in cloud adoption, particularly as enterprises want to move their mission-critical applications to the cloud. How do they do that in a safe way where they comply with their industry regulations, where they comply with their data residency laws and their information security policies? So what we're seeing is that organizations are saying, look, we want to use the cloud, the application, but we don't want to necessarily put our sensitive information there for these drivers that I mentioned. What's really important is not just the security part, but ensuring that the cloud application functionality is preserved. Because if you go ahead and encrypt data in the cloud, what happens? The cloud breaks. So your end users can't do things like search, sort, do emails, what have you. So what's really important is that not only you provide a robust security framework, whether it's encryption or data tokenization, but also ensuring that your users still have the experience that they would expect using cloud services. We see a lot of positive trends around cloud adoption, and we're seeing more and more organizations doing more with cloud. And our expectations are that organizations will embrace the cloud in a more meaningful way. You'll see more public cloud adoption, but you'll also see more hybrid cloud adoption. So organizations will be using both public and private cloud for the services. So the line between the corporate firewall, the public cloud, and the private cloud starts to blur more and more, especially in 2014 and beyond. And at that point, you really need trusted security partners like PerspecSys to enable that experience.